This is a quick tutorial on how to create a works cited page with Noodle Tools. First thing, log into Noodle Tools with your Gale account. Once logged in, you should have already created the project, so click on your project title. At the top, click on Sources, and you'll probably only see one, or maybe you have two of your sources listed. So we need to add our next source citation in, and so we're going to open the tab with your Gale article that you want to export into Noodle Tools. And here on the right, there's a button that says Citation Tools. Click on Citation Tools. Export to, select Noodle Tools, then click Export. On the bottom of this page, click on the blue button that says Import References. And you should get a little pop-up that says one reference successfully exported. Open your tab to Noodle Tools, refresh your screen, and you will see your citation. That's it, everybody.